Students, all of you take out your science textbooks, children. Amazing Science, second class textbook. After that, take out, open fresh paper, open lesson number 1, children. That is plants around us. Okay, page number 8. To start this lesson, first you all are having this warm-up activity. Everyone open this warm-up activity, children. Take out your pencils. See, children, in this you all must need to say the names of these parts of a plant. Okay, this is what, children? Fruit. Fruit is what, children? This is what? Apple. Apple is what? It is a fruit of a plant. So in this box, everyone write down, children, F-R-U-I-T, fruit. So you all must need to write R-U-T. Okay, then next going to second box, second picture. What is this picture, children? It is a flower. So complete this box. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. I repeat again, children. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Then next coming to third picture. What is this third picture? Leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. I repeat again. L-E-A-F, leaf. Then fourth picture is what? Roots. R-O-O-T-S, roots. What it is? R-O-O-T-S, roots. Okay, children, now. Okay, children, now coming to your class second subject science. Lesson number 1, plants around us. Okay, what is your lesson, children? Plants around us. In this lesson, you all are going to learn about trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. What are you all going to learn about? Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. See, children, did you all saw plants anytime in and around your houses? There are many plants, children. Okay, what do these plants are having? Different shades and sizes, children. Some plants are big, some plants are small. Some plants are having different shades also, children. Okay, now coming to first, trees. What are trees, children? Trees are big and strong plants. They are having thick, brown, woody trunks, children. Okay, they are having thick, brown and woody trunks. And these trees, no, children, they will live for many years. Okay, I repeat. What are trees? Trees are big and strong plants, children. They live for many years. Next coming to what? Shrubs. What are shrubs, children? Shrubs are smaller than trees. These trees are shrubs. Now coming to shrubs. These shrubs, no, children, they are smaller than trees. Compared to trees, shrubs are very small. And no, children, they are having thin, brown and woody stems. Okay, they are having what? Thin, brown and woody stems. But these trees are having thick, brown and woody stems, children. And these shrubs, they will live only for few years. But the trees, they will live for many years, children. Okay, next coming to what? Herbs. Herbs, no, children, they are very small plants. These herbs are very small plants and their stems will be soft, children. Okay, soft green in color, they will be having stems. And these herbs, no, children, they will live only for 1 year. Okay, they won't live more than 1 year. Only for 1 year only they can live. But trees, they will live for many years. Shrubs, they will live only for few years. But herbs will live only for 1 year. They won't live more than 1 year. Now coming to what? Climbers. Climbers, children, these trees, They should need support to climb, children. They cannot stand on its own. But our trees, what, they can stand on its own. They do not need any support. But climbers, no, children, they need support to climb. So they will take the support of the wall and they will climb. Okay. Then next coming to creepers. Creepers, children, they are having very weak stems, so that they cannot even take support. Because of that, they will just creep on the ground. Okay, you can see in the picture. They will only creep on the ground. Example for trees, what you all can say: mango tree, banyan tree, etc. Shrubs examples are rose plant, jasmine plant, henna plant. Okay. Herbs examples are coriander, tulsi plant and mint plant, children. Okay. And children, do you all know these herbs? No, children, they are useful for us as medicines also. Climbers examples are grapevine plant, bean plant, money plant. Now coming to creepers. Creepers examples are watermelon and pumpkin. See, children, lifespan of plants, no, they will, some plants, no, they will live for 100 years. Some plants will live only for a few years and some plants live only for a month. Okay, like trees, banyan and neem tree, they will live for 100 years, children. But herbs, they will live only for one season only. Okay, if you are having any doubts, contact on my number, children. Okay. Okay, children, take out page number 11. This activity is there, no, children. All of you take out this activity, this coconut tree activity. See, name this plant. What is this plant, children? Coconut plant. Okay. It is a tree, herb or shrub. What it is, children? It is tree, herbs or shrub. It is a tree. Write down tree. I repeat again. Name this plant. What is this plant, children? Coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Then it is a tree, herb or shrub. It is a tree. T-R-E-E. Okay. Then what is its stems like? It is strong. So write down strong. Its stems is strong. Is it a thorny plant, children? No. N-O, no. Is it a useful plant? Yes. Y-E-S, yes. Now can you say me, children, why this plant is useful? See, coconut, if we drink coconut water, it is useful for our health. And even these leaves are also, some people will keep it on the roofs of the house, children. Even this trunk of the tree is also useful for cooking the food for in marriages. Like if they want big cooking, so what they will do, they won't take stoves and all. They will use some sticks, no, children, for preparing the food. For this trunk is used for that purpose. Okay. And even from coconut we will get coconut oil for hair, isn't it? Okay. Thank you.